Hi guys, again, this is Dimitri at this your friend. Welcome back here on this channel once more. And of course, today we're going to see some beautiful, good tips, guys, for you to learn and how to speak Creole, Haitian Creole. You'll be able to make your own sentence. You'll be able to communicate and interact with Haitian people around the world. And it's very easy, guys, so just bear with me here. And as we're going to go over some good tips and good tools here for you to learn and in order to make your own sentence. Remember, I said before that for you to make your own sentence, you have to use a single subject and an action verb, okay? So today we're going to see just a few verbs and a few pronouns, of course, and the Haitian Creole pronouns, and we'll go from there. All right, so let's go ahead and get started right away. Now, I see here, for example, we have in the first page the pronouns, and in Creole we say pronom. All right, that's pronom. Okay, so we have number one as moi, which is I, moi. Now, guys, I'm not saying when, all right, because people may tend to say when because of the n, but in Creole the n is silent. It's n. It's an n sound instead of an n sound. So moi, it's I, and then we have ou, that's you. Number two, ou, that's you. And number three, we have li. Okay, again, that's li, he, she, or it. Number four, we have nous, that's nous, we or us. Number five, we have ou, again, that's you. As you can see, guys, in the Haitian pronouns we have two u's, or of course in Haitian Creole we have in the English pronouns we have two U's. In the Haitian Creole we also have two U's, all right, for you. And then at the end, number six, we have yo, that's they. Then we have number six here as yo, okay, that's they, yo. So also, guys, some Spanish speakers, they may tend to use it or to pronounce it as Joe, but it's not, it's just yo. And for some English speakers, you guys may say yo, but it's not, it's just yo, all right, in Creole. Excellent. And over here we have some verbs, all right. I mean the verbs to be, verb to be, all right, verb to be, as we conjugate here using just se after the pronoun, all right. So the same pronoun we're just seeing here, so we just add se, and that actually complete, or that makes the verbs to be in the present tense, I am, all right. So moi se is I am, ou se is you are, li se is he, she, or it is. And then number four, nous se, that's we are. Number five, ou se, that's you are. And then number six, yo se, that's they are. Okay, yo se. So it's the same pronouns, guys. We just add se to make or to conjugate verb to be in the present tense. Okay, excellent, excellent. Alrighty then, guys, so that's all for today. I want to thank you very much for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe, and I would appreciate to see your comments below, and hit the like button, of course, and the bell for more videos. And thank you again, and we'll see you guys next time.